Today we're making a corn poppy from pipe cleaners. Here's the finished petal. It looks like a little fan. You'll need 34 10cm pipe cleaners and 5 full-length ones. Let's start with the first layer of petals. First, bend a full-length pipe cleaner into a curved shape. Then attach 8 10cm pieces along it. Bend the sides downwards. Secure the base with glue, just like this. And that's your first petal for layered ones done. Make 2 identical petals for the first layer. Now for the second layer of petals. Again, curve a full-length pipe cleaner. Attach 9 10cm pieces along it. The rest of the steps are the same as the first layer. Bend down, glue, and secure. You'll need 2 petals for the second layer too. Now let's make the center. Take 1 yellow and 1 green pipe cleaner, folding each one back and forth like this. Gently stretch them out after folding. Use pliers to gently curl the outer edge of each petal outward. Then pinch the center to create a slight dip. Time to attach the centers. Start with the green ones. Glue one end to the flower stem. Then coil the rest around the stem, adding glue as you go. Next, take the yellow center. It should be just long enough to wrap around the green one. Apply glue around the green center and wrap the yellow one over it. Now for the petals. First, trim any excess from the petal bases. Apply glue to the base of a petal. Attach it below the center. Attach the other first layer petals the same way. Make sure they ray symmetrical and at the same height. Now add the second layer. Place them between the first layer of petals. After attaching, shape the petals and add yellow-green color to the center. Blend it out for a natural gradient. And your pipe cleaner poppy is complete.